You're in beautiful Rossman at the moment, which is a small rural village in southwest Meath. It has about 200 houses in its catchment area, and the GA, as you can see, is the central hub of a very dynamic and vibrant community. The club was formed in 1924, had our first win in 1928. We played senior from 1932 until 2000. We were asked back in November 2010 to look at a social initiative, and we're delighted to take it on board. And basically the whole aim is to get men involved in activity in the community. We had our first get-together of past players of the 40s, 50s, 60s in the local pub one night, and we were absolutely amazed ourselves at the banter and chat. So we broadened that out then across the county, where we had players from various different clubs that played against Rossmount and vice versa, and with about 50 people here, and it went on till late, and there was many games relived and replayed, and it was really brilliant. We're just delighted, as I said, to be acknowledged for the work we're doing, and we're more delighted for the people who've been involved. And I think this here will be a catalyst that will probably encourage more men to get involved, not only in Rossmount but outside the county. We were up in Northwest Meath last week. We met a group of 6 clubs up there promoting the social initiative up there. So our aim is to continue doing that in Westmeath and have more and more clubs doing what we're doing in Rossmount. But the President's Award is really sort of it's a huge acknowledgement for our club on what we have done. I think it'll be more of an incentive to a lot more members to participate in the various activities.